Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the jellyfish pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw a line down. Then for the bottom, let's curve it out on both sides. And then for the ends, let's curve it back up. Now let's add another set in the same way on both sides. Now let's add two more angled ones going downwards. And the same on the right. And then one more longer skinny one on the sides. Next, for the top of the head, let's hop up to the center and let's draw a curve across. And then angle it down from both ends. And now let's angle it down to the sides to close off the top of the head. Next, inside on the top left, let's draw a curve around and back over like this. And that's it for the top of the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the pieces hanging down. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a wavy line down. And then another wavy line next to it, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now let's hop over on the right and let's do the same thing. And now let's hop to the sides and let's do the same thing, but shorter. Next, let's hop to the middle and let's draw the eyes with two circles. And then color them both in black. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw an angle in and curve it to the center for the shape of the head. And then underneath on the sides, let's draw another long V-shaped point down and back up. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the long pieces of tentacles hanging down. Let's start underneath the center and let's draw a wavy line down. And the same thing next to it on the right. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's add another one on the left on an angle. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move back to the top and let's draw the back of the head. Let's start from the sides and let's draw curved lines all the way back in and behind the tentacles. And the same from the right. And that's it for this cute jellyfish pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!